I bet you didn't know the latest space heroes aren't astronauts by profession, but adventurers at heart. Meet the Polaris Dawn crew. Jared Isaacman and his Polaris Dawn crew have just wrapped up a historic 5-day mission. Splashing down safely in the Gulf of Mexico, they returned in the SpaceX Dragon capsule after traveling further into space than any human in over 50 years. Led by Isaacman, this team included SpaceX's own Sarah Gillis, who, alongside Isaacman, completed the first ever non-professional spacewalk. Floating 435 miles above Earth, they've set a new standard for private space exploration. But that's not all. The crew, including Scott Kidd Petit, conducted over 40 experiments and even wowed us with a violin performance by Gillis, beamed down via Starlink satellites. This mission is just the beginning, the first of 3 planned Polaris missions, all funded by Isaacman. The future of commercial space travel? It's looking brighter than ever. Stay tuned for more adventures beyond the stars.